In the industrial premises of a company which produces plastic goods, a semi-basement space of several square meters had to be remodeled. For the painting of the walls, the modern solution of cold polyuria was chosen. Polyurea Floor Coating by DUROSTICK is a new generation two-component polyaspartic paint of aliphatic polyuria. The ease of use in combination with its extremely durable result make it suitable for application in spaces that are stressed by daily use and where high mechanical strength is required, such as impacts and compressions, but also chemical and other pollutants. The technician uses a laser instrument to determine the area to be painted. Then, with the right instruments, it measures the moisture on the surface and the substrate. In polyuria systems, measuring moisture is critical to the success of the application. When moisture of the surface is 3 to 5% and relative moisture in the substrate that does not exceed 40%, it allows us to start our work. The painting on the wall will be done up to the height of 1.5 meters, which is the most stressed area. The application of polyurea floor coating is done 24 hours after the preparation of the surfaces with the water-based epoxy primer Waterproof Epoxy Aqua Primer. The product is applied in 2 coats, spreads with exceptional ease, covers perfectly, and is subject to corrections during its application. The working time of polyurea floor coating by DUROSTICK is 35 minutes at 23 degrees Celsius. This is why, on large surfaces, it is suggested that more than one craftsman paint, so that the application is done within the operating time frame of the product. Polyurea floor coating provides a glossy, clean, ultra-durable surface that will remain for many years like new, while when it needs to be renewed, the same system with one coat will refresh it. Look for DUROSTICK products at selected points of sale. Find out more at www.durostick.com or contact the technical support department.